Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and also in this video. So my friend, many people ask me, sir, I don't anyone to speak English with me, then how can I practice at home? So if you also have this problem, then don't worry, you don't need any English teacher or a speaking partner every day. Believe me, you can improve your English at home by following these 7 simple methods. So let's get started. First method, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. It may sound funny, but it is one of the most best way to improve your English. I will give you an example. Like say, good morning. Today I have many things to do. First I will make breakfast, then I will study, I will go to office. The more you speak, the more confident you become. And method 2, describe everything around you. Okay, look around your room. Describe everything in English. For example, this is my bed, the fan is on, my phone is on the table, my room is clean. Start with simple sentence. Okay, don't try to sound perfect. Method 3, speak while doing daily activities. This is favorite method, my favorite method. Why? While brushing your teeth, cooking, cleaning, or walking, speak in English. If you are traveling, then speak with yourself. Like, example, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm washing the dishes, I'm making tea, I'm cleaning my room, I'm washing clothes. This method makes English a part of your daily life. Now, method 4, read aloud. Okay, take any English book, newspaper, even your phone. Read loudly. Don't read silent. Read aloud. Improve your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. Read for just 10 minutes every day. Okay. Method number 5. Listen and repeat. Watch a short English video every day. Pause after every sentence. Repeat exactly what the speaker says. Okay. Copy the pronunciation. Also copy the speed and expression. Okay, so this technique is called shadowing, and it is one of the fastest way to improve in spoken English. Okay, method 6, think in English. Instead of thinking in your native language, think simple in English. Like, I will give you an example. Like, I'm feeling hungry, I need some water, it's raining today, it's too hot today, I'm feeling happy. The more you think in English, the more naturally you will speak. Okay. Method 7, practice every day. Don't practice only when you feel motivated. Okay. Practice every day means every single day. Even 20 minutes daily is enough. If you stay consistent, remember one thing, small daily practice bring big result. Okay, so you don't need a classroom. Okay, you don't need expensive courses, and you don't need even English speaking partner. What you really need, that is daily practice, consistency, small efforts. So remember these habits. First, speak every day, listen every day, read every day, and think every day. Okay, if you these 4 steps things for the next 30 days, you will notice big improvement in your English within 6 months. So if you found this video helpful, okay, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will not drag this video too long, okay, because then I get attention from you, okay, from people, then I will start making long video. Okay, so take care, and remember, keep practicing small efforts. Put small effort every day, then you will see the result within 6 months. You will be fluent in English. It's my guarantee, because I did same thing. Okay, I didn't join any English speaking course. Okay, I actually used to practice English on phone, means phone. Okay, watching video. Okay, and speaking with yourself, means myself. Okay, And also I used to describe what is around me. That is also used to describe. So I actually learned English in these methods. So I hope you will also apply this method in your speaking journey and then see the result within 6 months. You will be fluent in English. So take care and keep practicing and keep growing.